somewhere between Tasmania and New Zealand, on board Thomas Ruyant's boat, where we hear the sound of an engine, usually not a good sign.
Voilà.
There,
Fin de Vendée Globe.
end of the Vendée Globe.
Terminé.
It's over.
Ouais, une moitié de-
Half a world around. I'm so disappointed it had to end this way.
Ça se termine de cette façon-là. J'en ai eu
I mean,
hier, hein.
I had problems,
Je suis au boulot.
had my share of hell. But this one, darn, I don't wish it to anyone. Nothing. He won't have been spared of anything. Thomas was asleep when his boat collided with what he thinks is a container. Damages are considerable.
Ouais, le choc là.
Shock.
C'était ultra.
The shock was ultra violent.
Ultra violent. J'ai encore des frissons.
I'm still shivering. The mere thought of it, talking about it. The hull is split open. The chine bulkheads are coming loose all over. So I'm en route towards the south of New Zealand. I'm within helicopter range, so that's reassuring. All I need is to press a button to be rescued. I'm not sure it's all going to hold up until I get there. Thomas will remain one of the revelations of this 8th Vendée Globe, and his peers can testify.
Message à Thomas
Message
Ruyant.
to Thomas Ruyant.
Sache que je suis de tout cœur avec toi.
I want you to know that I'm with you with all my heart.
C'est les trucs qui
Those
arrivent.
things happen.
Et que,
Damn it.
c'est
It
con,
happened to
ça
me.
m'est arrivé, ça nous arrive
And it will happen
encore,
again. It's
c'est
our
notre
job.
métier. Merci à toi de
Special
de
thanks
ta
to you
qualité de navigation
for the quality of your
et
navigation
du
skills,
plaisir que ça a
for
été
the
pour
pleasure
moi
I felt
d'avoir
of
un
having
concurrent
an
de ton
opponent
niveau.
of your level.
Merci.
Thank you. I
À
hope to
très
see you
bientôt,
soon.
j'espère.
Companion in misfortune for Thomas Ruyant, Stéphane de Diraison, is putting together a jury rig that should allow him to reach Australia in the next 10 days. On the sports side, ahead of the fleet, Armel Leclerc keeps increasing the gap with Alex Thompson.